In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find business card templates in Microsoft Word. Business card templates make it easy to create professional-looking cards without starting from scratch. With the built-in templates in Microsoft Word, you can quickly choose a design, customize the text, and print your own business cards right from your computer. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. When Word opens, you will usually see the Start screen, where different templates are displayed. At the top of this screen, you will find a search bar that allows you to search for specific templates. Click inside the search bar and type Business Card, then press Enter on your keyboard. Microsoft Word will connect to its template library and display a variety of business card templates you can use. These templates come in different styles, layouts, and color themes, so you can choose the one that best matches your needs. Take a moment to browse through the available templates. When you find one you like, click on it to preview the design. The preview window will show you more details about the template, including the layout and formatting. If you're happy with the design, click the Create button. Microsoft Word will open a new document based on that template. Most business card templates are already arranged in a grid format, so then multiple cards can be printed on a single sheet of paper. Next, you can start customizing the information on the card. Simply click on the placeholder text and replace it with your own details, such as your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, and website. You can also change the font style, font size, and colors using the tools in the Home tab. If the template includes images or logos, you can replace them with your own. Just click the image, go to the Picture Format tab, then select Change Picture, and choose Pictures to add your company logo or another graphic. Once you've finished editing the information, review the layout to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready to print your cards, go to the File tab, select Print, and make sure you're using the correct paper type for business cards. And that's how you find and use business card templates in Microsoft Word to quickly create professional business cards. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next tutorials.